kids, hope you're all well. Back again for a new vid. This time we're going to look at the Kamanda. So without doubt, this is a shoe that divides opinion. It doesn't really sit in either the modern camp or the hype camp, which I'm not into generally, or the traditional camp. It's somewhere in between. I recently picked up the CP Kamanda collaboration, and I was really impressed with them actually. They look so good on foot, in my opinion, that I've decided to go and grab the OG silhouette. So without much further delay, let's take a close look. Obviously the box is a black charcoal, has really nice embossed branding. Yeah, let's open it up and have a look. So the packing paper is again Kamanda branded. There you go, here's the shoes, guys. I mean, one thing I will say about the Kamanda, it's got a very ergonomic look, a very natural silhouette. I mean, I actually think these kind of shoes, or this silhouette in particular, won't really ever suit bright colourways. Only in natural colourways, so browns, greens, etc. Maybe greys. But as soon as you start releasing these in bright colours, I think they'll look a bit silly. These are the desert colourway, the sand colourway if you like. Obviously they've got a nice bit of traditional box branding on the side of the shoe. I mean, let's just do a toe to tongue on these. The quality of the suede on these is really nice actually. The camera should pick this up quite easily. Really nice material. Yeah, fantastic I think for a modern silhouette. If you want to call it that actually, so the debate is on. Yeah, I think these actually look better on foot than just in the hand. I think that is the main consideration that I would make about these, to be honest with you. Let's go round to the heel tab. You do have a nice contrast white heel tab on this, very pronounced at the back of the shoe. Bit more Kamanda branding on the underside of the tongue and on the insole there. Okay. So if you look underneath the shoe, bit more Kamanda branding, and then you have this this textured tread which goes all the way around to the side. So we do have a bit more detailing there on the instep of the toe box if you like. Some nice stitching detail around the tongue. The tongue is plain on these. So yeah, I mean, I say the OG isn't as nice as the CP collaboration, but I do actually think, yeah, why not? A bit of something different. Certainly for someone like myself that you know, has so many of the you know, the old school City series, etc. This is a nice step away from that to me, but not a step too far into these sort of ultra modern things, which, you know, I don't really like. I mean, this is sort of influenced by the terrace culture, as they say. You know, whether you take that with a pinch of salt or not, that's up to you. So yeah, I'll pop these on foot now, which again, I'm sure they'll look better on foot, in my opinion anyway. Yeah. Right, as always kids, yeah, take care of yourselves, keep your eyes peeled on the channel, plenty more to come, alright? I'll catch you next time. See you later, bye.